Honorable Minister, if you would like to respond.
Sir,
Honorable members, please bear with me. No. All right, Honorable Minister. No. One second. Professor Ram Gopal Yadav, unfortunately there was no input from your side, and therefore I thought.
Sir,
No, that has been covered.
मैं
Professor Sahab.
माननीय
Professor
मंत्री जी
साहब,
से ये जानना चाहता हूँ।
I urge both the professors to be in the same boat today.
मैं माननीय मंत्री जी से ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो डिपोर्टेशन हुआ है, इससे पहले क्या इस संबंध में आपकी वहाँ के अधिकारियों से बातचीत हुई थी? नंबर 2, जो लोग डिपोर्ट हुए हैं अभी या पहले भी, क्या उनकी वहाँ कोई संपत्ति है, और अगर संपत्ति है तो उसको लाने की क्या व्यवस्था की गई? क्योंकि मेरी जानकारी में है संपत्ति लोगों के पास, बहुत प्रॉपर्टी है, और नाउ दे आर बीइंग डिपोर्टेड। उनकी जो सूची में है उनमें आप पता कीजिए कि कितने लोगों के पास कितनी संपत्ति है और क्या उस संपत्ति को भारत में लाने की इजाजत दी जाएगी?
Dr. M. Thambidurai. Sir, 1 minute.
Only one point I am raising, sir. As all our members raised, I am also concerned how they treated.
Sir, one point. Make the point.
Sending our Indian people. First point, sir, I want to raise whether, sir, Trump has come over the president of India now. Our Indian origin, Lady Kamala Harris, fought against her. She lost. I am fearing she is also Indian, also a special Tamil origin lady. So many Tamil people and Indian people are residing in America. Whether any revenge is going to take place in the way to treat our Indian people.
Thank you.
No, this is a serious matter.
You have raised the point.
Because our candidate Harris has
You have raised the point. You have raised a good point. Okay.
Therefore, I want to know whether such kind of
Shri Santosh Kumar
will
P.
come.
Shri Santosh Kumar P.
I have two clarifications. Number one, Trump will be in power for the coming 4 years. So how many more deportation we are expecting in the coming years? Number one. Number two, there are many households in the US.
1 second, please.
There are many households in US where family members have different legal status. Some of them may be legal, some of them may be undocumented or migrants like that. So do we have any clear-cut data on this? How many families are like this in US?
Thank you.
And what about the students of US?
Thank you. Shri Sanjay Raut. Briefly, 1 minute.
सर, हम समझ रहे हैं कि प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के मित्र हैं,
प्रश्न पूछिए,
लेकिन हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी अब यूएस जा रहे हैं, उनका टूर फिक्स हुआ है, और उससे पहले मोदी जी वहां पहुंचने से पहले जिस तरह से हमारे लोगों को यहां भेज दिया है, मेरे क्लैरिफिकेशन में मांगना चाहता हूं कि लगभग 18,000 लोग वापस वो भेज रहे हैं। क्या मोदी जी वहां जाकर प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प से ये 18,000 लोगों के बारे में कोई सकारात्मक बात करना चाहते हैं?
संजय जी, थैंक यू। डॉक्टर फौजिया खान।
Sir,
1 minute, ma'am.
thank you, sir. Just one query. Sir, is it true that the US President Donald Trump has signed an executive order to cancel student visas for non-citizens participating in protests related to the Israel-Palestine conflict? Is this true that the United States of America, who calls themselves the sole custodian of human rights and democracy, is doing this for protesting? What is India's stand on this?
Thank you. Honorable Minister. No, please. Honorable Minister. No.
Thank you, sir.
I have given one party. No, sorry. Please. No. Honorable Minister.
Sir, a
No.
number of
No.